Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make sugar cookies. This is a very simple and easy recipe, so let's just get into it. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to add your butter, your sugar, and you want to go ahead and whisk that until it's creamed together. After you scrape down the sides, you want to go ahead and add an egg and your vanilla extract. Now you want to add in your flour, and then to that you're going to add your baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now we're going to go ahead and knead the dough together until it all forms one big dough. And you can also use this to roll it out and make different shapes with cookie cutters and stuff like that. But I just decided to use a cookie scoop and make little round cookies. And now you want to put this in the oven at 350 and let them bake for around 10 to 11 minutes. And you can also add sprinkles to them as well. I literally pulled these out the oven like after they was in there for 1 minute. So I just decided to put some on top just to give it some color and make them look all fun and pretty. And these were the first batch that I made. They turned out really great. Definitely a very easy recipe. As usual, the instructions, the recipe measurements will be in the description, so you guys can check that out if you want to make them at home. I also decided to add some vanilla frosting to these as well up top, as well as some sprinkles. And I just let my little sisters decorate the plain cookies. So I just gave them some frosting and some sprinkles. So it's also really fun to do if you have kids or siblings or whatever, just to have them some fun little dessert to make for themselves. But yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye guys.